This student passed her test with 3 minor errors. When doing shoulder check to the left, to change lane to the left, diverting a little bit towards the right lane. We need to make sure that when we do shoulder check, we don't move our body or our arms, otherwise we might move the car to opposite direction. So just sitting straight, arms straight, upper body straight, and then turning your head 90 degrees to the side. That's it. And second mistake was driving a little bit too slow on highway. So on highway, when the speed limit is 100 and every car is driving 100, you don't want to drive like 65 or 70 or 70. That's a little too slow. You can get a little bit your speed up and get to the same speed as the other cars. And the third mistake was driving a little bit too close to a pedestrian who was walking beside the road. So the situation was not dangerous, obviously that dangerous, otherwise she would have failed the test straight away, but driving a little bit too close. We always want to stay away from the pedestrians if they are on the road, because they are unpredictable. They might jump in front of the car, so we always want to keep the safe distance from them, stay away from the pedestrian. Eventually she passed the test with 3 minor errors.